Our customer was looking for a way to cut large materials such as foam at high speed. As completely new projects cost our customers time and money, we usually use workstations from the SpeedMarker series or the InMarker integrated laser series. Galvo laser systems are more cost-effective for larger volumes because they are many times faster than flatbed lasers. In industrial production processes, fast processing is required for optimal integration into the existing workflow. Our solution is a short CO2 laser used in a SpeedMarker 1600. The SpeedMarker 1600 has a large working area with a size of up to 1,300 by 450 millimeters. With the movable Z-axis, the entire work surface can be used. This enables cutting or engraving large materials and parts made of organic materials. A guided flat nozzle is installed between the tabletop and the axis for clean processing and perfect results. As with all our Galvo systems, this system is controlled by the proven SpeedMark software. Are you interested in learning more about this production solution? Then get in touch with us.
For more information, technical details, and the like, please visit our website or contact us.